Hello. Okay, it should be good. So I want to do full day today on USDT, Bitcoin, and maybe ETH from high time frame to low time frame, so we understand where we are. Hello. Okay, it should be good. So I want to do full day today on. I hear myself how to fix this. How do I fix this? Mm, maybe now it's good. Okay, I don't know how to. Oh, whatever. I'll just. I keep hearing myself. It's whatever. Okay, so let's start with USDT. I hear myself how to fix. Very professional. How do I even fix? Is it? You guys hear my voice? Wait, I'm pretty sure it's like that. Okay, so let's look at it from daily time frame. Understand where we are. So, alright. So on the daily, it's something like this. Okay. So what do we have here? Okay, so this was previous range. Okay, now and down. So probably expecting this to go is better than targeting highs. So do we have any order blocks here? Okay, so this is an SFP of this was taken. No, okay, so that's our SFP, and this SFP target is this low, so which is all-time high. So we'll see if we get our all-time high. That's our target for this SFP, which is all-time high. We will see if we get it, but we have any level here. Okay, so this is a pretty important order block. I'll keep it cold, even though it's kind of medicated, but it's okay. And it's, yeah, it's good. Just unplug my headphones so it's better, I think. Okay, it's kind of annoying hearing myself non-stop. Hopefully it's not on stream. But... So this level is very important. It's probably 3-day order block. 3-day order block is like this, so I'll make it like this, and I'll draw a gray one on this daily. Okay. So we're looking for shorts in here because our local trend is still to the upside, right? Never change. So based on uh, smart money concepts, we should expect a higher low to make a higher high until this is broken. When this is lost, we can expect all-time high again. But before this, I mean, we're still in an uptrend. So, and plus here You can even see lack of reaccumulation, which could send us higher. Of course, nothing's confirmed yet. We will see. So let's go to 10 hour maybe. What do you have here? Um, we don't have a lot. Let's check volume profile. This small range. Okay, so this level is very important. It's point of control plus 10-hour block. So let's mark it in gold. Here we're looking for longs. This long could be swing long if we get here. I'll put alert on it. Okay. So this level is very important. And do we have anything here? On 4 hour 100%. I think let's mitigate it. It's okay. I'll just draw this as the low, and if we create the slowest market structure on like 1 hour time frame, if we today we sweep this low and break here, we can short it towards this order block. So yeah, that's pretty good idea. It could work out very well if this low is swept and we broke break structure. And here, this is a swing long level. This very important level. What else do we have here? Um, mm, Go back on like 8 hour and check. Okay, here, do we have anything? I would say no. This order block, I'll draw it out. I mean, maybe it works, maybe I don't know. Just to be aware about it. We'll see. Okay. So we have this level, and of course this below. This is very important. I would say this is make it or break it. So I'll just even write it. Okay, so this is our most important level. Either we break it and we can look for backtest shorts long here, or we bounce from it and we can break this high. So yeah, that's for high time frame. I think I'll save it for yeah. I'll make a group. Right. All right. So this is our high time frame. Yeah. Wait. Nothing. What? All right. So now let's look at 1 hour and below. What do we have? So we are in this range right here, and we are at the lows of the range. So either we are expecting this to break and to pump like crazy, or it's still in a range. So expecting for like this, or is probably better because haven't broken anything. We're still in a range. So today I want to probably look for shorts. So 1 month. Okay. So this flow is very important on local time frames. So let's keep it here. And let's check if we have any volume nodes important. I would okay. Not mix it probably. So this is our important level. Yeah. Also, this node is very important, very huge node. So I'll just this key level as well. As you can see, a lot of volume was traded here. So I'll make both of these golden. And do we have a breaker block of some kind? No. Do we have a order block? Okay, this is very, really low. So plus this is probably a vector. Yeah, okay. So this range probably will fail. It will go lower. So where can they go? Is this mitigated? Yes, it is. That's mitigated too. Okay. Technically, if we lose this low, we can run through all of this. It can be like a very good swing trade, right? Because we didn't come for any lows. So it's so longs for a swing trade, longs are definitely better, I think. Okay, yeah, I found something on 6 hour. That's an important level, I would say. Yeah, because we're covering this vector, and this is our order block to send us higher again. So yeah, we'll keep this on 100%. That's a very important level. I'll put a blur on it. So today's idea could be either shorting from here. Uh, this would be like hold this trade for around a week to the highs, or of course this trade as well. But if we lose this low, I would say this trade is like for a lower high to make a lower low here in just order block. So let's draw it like this. So that's my plan for locally. Yeah, I'll make it like this. Yeah, and this is like swing long towards to run for all those lows. We can draw it like towards all time high even. So that's like 30 risk reward. I mean 30 risk reward, but maybe we enter like this and then it's 100. Keep it like here, this. And I'm not targeting that straight away. I'll try target this maybe. Yeah, that's a good plan. Thing on USDT locally. And what can we trade today? Let's check like 15 minutes. Okay. I mean, right now, this is our most important law. If we break this, right, we can look for backtest like this and close it. Yeah, that's short. And pretty much, I couldn't long here anyways, I think. How do you in the long? Yeah, I can't long it. Longest from here. Best scenarios from this golden zone. This is also high volume node that didn't market, but yeah, no, it is. I'll, I'll make. So yeah, this is my high volume node because here was a lot of people who were interested in trading in this zone. So maybe those people come back and want to trade here again and reject here. So either we long it from here or here. That's pretty much it. And shorts are probably better here. We can look to short this. And of course, this below, this is a very important level as well. So yeah, let's see what we have next. Okay, so let's go to check Bitcoin. Okay, we broke out of this demand supply zone. Let's see, does it make sense to go higher? I would say it definitely does. This is an important level. See, this is like our key supply zone. Make it or break it, I would say. Yeah. And also, I think we just swept the high. Did we? Yeah, we did. So that's a very important high as well. This, if this SFP confirms, let's see if it confirmed. I don't think it did. It actually did. Do I want to short it? By saying confirmed, I mean look at the structure here. Up, down, break, right? After sweeping a high, you can short like here. But I think I didn't do that. Let's see. I think this is a maybe even a good short. Should I? Let's check order flow real quick and understand where are we. Okay, so yeah, the orders are very high, but it's just New York Open happened, so I think I'm too early to short here. It could be good, but it makes sense to reject here. But I don't. Do I want to short here? Based on USDT, we have to take this low, so I'm not shorting yet before this low goes. I'll put a lot on it. If I miss a trade, I miss a trade. Who cares? So yeah. So we have this. This idea could work. I don't know. It makes a lot of sense to reject here. In order flow, look at this absorption right here. Right. Look at here. This. Look at this. It makes a lot of sense. I'm not sure about it because just New York Open. So it could just blast through. So I'll keep in mind if this low goes, I will be looking to enter. If not, I mean, it's fine missing a trade. Who cares? If we can find another one after like we lose this low, like and get a back test here, we can short this. This either way a better short because we're actually trading with the trend. This is like very low time frame, and this low is like hourly time frame, 1 hour time frame. If we lose this low, it's short city. We only look for shorts to recover every vector here, right? Once we lose this low, we look for backtest shorts. Okay, let's look at high time, like 8 hour. Uh, that's like a 4 hour order block, I think. Let me check. I mean, yeah, that's that's oh, that's supply zone. Did we hit it? I think we front ran it. Maybe 6 hour was a little bit bigger. That's mid. Yeah, okay. It wasn't hit. It's okay. And let's check with volume. Where are we? Where will be above? Well, yeah, we're above value value high, and this is like a very good long from right here from panel control, like this. That's a long. So we'll draw this out. This could be a swing long. Of course, if this SFP confirms, our target is this low. So if, I would say if this low goes, because these are equal lows, I would say I want this low to go. So I'll draw it. So that's long as well. So, and this is a short. if we don't dump today and just range and hit this, that's a short. Right now, kind of risky because we didn't hit this, and USDT also didn't sweep below. So until that happens, I think I'm too early to short. Could be wrong. It could just go down from now. It makes sense. There was quite high absorption here, and we broke structure after we swept the high. So it 100% makes sense. This could be high actually. I think it is, but I it's still New York Open. I don't really know if I want to be in long in short. Maybe I do. Okay, whatever. Let's check our CPR. So it's okay. So we can take the JR brings box trade. For those who don't know what it is, it's when we break this, it brings box on uh, traders main indicator. We put on in market sessions for New York brings, and once our CPR indicator shows is uh, on the daily less than $500, which is around 500, is okay. It means we will have an explosive day. So whichever way this breaks, we can trade it. Like either we short it like this, targeting 1 hour, or we long it like this, also targeting 1 hour, right? And this works really well. I checked it; it has 75% win rate just based on entering here, stop loss above it, and closing at market close. On newer closes, you close the trade, and it has 75% win rate on 1-to-1 risk reward. It's a very good strategy. I mean, yeah. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I will tell you. So yeah, so yeah, today's yeah. I mean, if we shorted already, we would be in a losing trade. That's why I wasn't sure if it's the time. If we take this high and we do something like this, I'm definitely shorting that. But now, I mean, it's still kind of early, I think. Yeah, let's check ETH maybe. Okay, ETH is exploding. Does it make sense to move up? Okay, this is a very important level, I think. This order block here, and we just hit it. Then let's check volume on this whole range. Okay, it's very down heavy, and we're at barrel area high. So this could be actually a short, but I mean, putting $250 stop loss. I mean, how much are you entering? I think it's too early as well. I mean, this is kind of risky. It could work. It makes more sense, I think, than Bitcoin, like this. Uh, Wait, let's check order flow real quick. Yeah. So what do we have here? Nothing. Okay, we have some trapped buyers, maybe. No, it's not trapped. But this is like very strong absorption. As you can see, very high number. Both are very high numbers. And we dumped. And then buyer stepped in to push it back up. I think it's kind of early to short. I could be wrong. This looks good. Not gonna lie, but yeah, look, I would be stopped out. So let's check on like high time frames. So what do I have? This order block was mitigated, which is nice. And once we break this range, I mean, there's, I believe, nothing stopping us to take 5,000 again. Right? But does it make sense to now break out? I would say it more sense to just come back, recover this before the next move up. So we'll see. Recovering this. Is there any other vectors? I would say no. Not, we don't have anything else. This or on. I mean, if this, yeah, this or vector I want to recover. So that's my order block here. And wait, it's maybe on low time frame. Better. I'll draw like this. I mean, I think that's better, even though it is mitigated, which means we hit it again. But I think it's okay. I'll draw it like gray one. Yeah. I mean, it could work here, but I'm not certain of it. Right? Did we get stopped out? I just want to know. Even though I didn't enter this. Not yet. We'll see. So yeah. So the plan is to take this low on USDT before we move up. It can take it on the daily as well, which is probably what will happen. We will take it on the daily time frame. I'll delete these lines so I can see wicks better. Yeah. So for those who don't know, on the daily time frame, it shows differently the wicks on USDT. Right? I will draw it here. Whatever. I'll just draw a line and look how it doesn't match up on low time frames. Right? This is not a wick. It never was it. Here. Well, I think I stopped. I will restart that now. Oh no. Maybe like 1 hour almost. It's okay. Okay, let's check maybe Bitcoin dominance. Like almost 2 months ago, I said that after we hit this order block, we will come back for this low. I mean, what did we do? We rejected and started ranging. I still think this low goes, so we will see. This low is very important. I think it will go, and this like kind of mini alt season will happen. We'll see. And Bitcoin didn't do anything. Okay. Oh, let's see. This short would have worked very well. It's okay, whatever. So today I think we'll go lower. Either we have a long from this low right here. That's a very important level, I think, right here. We can look to long it, right? Because our trend is still up. Our trend is our friend, right? So if we SFP this low, which means we wick below it and keep going and open a green candle, we can long it towards this high. And this could create like a bigger range, like a distribution of some kind, and send us lower to this order block here. And this even, I think, this could stop us at this level, but this could go all time high. This is a very important level, I think, right here. Okay. Solano, do we have anything on Sol? Okay, this did it? Did it? No. Okay, if I put a large on it, I maybe would have got no trade yet, but it's okay. But I have on Sol. This a very good uh, accumulation right here, right? Accumulation, and it went higher. I think this level is very important. Right here, we can expect some kind of rejection. I mean, it could be like this. We just looked along this, and also look at this vectors here. I mean, they're more likely to be recovered than not. So once these are recovered, we can look along it. I'd say like right here is a good level. We'll see. Let's check volume. Is volume agreeing with me? Volume says this is a very important level, which is okay. Yeah. So let's draw this as gold. And this is a very. I think this is where we bounce, but volume tells me here was most volume, so this could work as well. So we'll see if we can take along this week of here. Nice. Amazing. I said this could work, and I mean, with them, whatever. I didn't enter, but it's okay. So, yeah, what do we have here? Oh, it's actually mitigate. I'll just, how do I can draw this? Oh, like this maybe, like smaller one. Yeah, like this. And now that's my level to along it. And we have these ugly equal lows, so we can expect a retrace to keep going up. Okay, look at this. I mean, when you work open right into the level, but this sucks that it didn't reach this level. Right, we can still long it like this, right? That short, I mean, this is still a short. We can look for a retrace after this, and if we get it, if I see it, I'll update you on my Discord server. Honestly, I mean, this is this is could be a swing short because remember, this is our high time frame order block. We just kind of rejecting from it. I mean, this could just come up again, but we'll see. I didn't enter, so I don't really care what happens. But this could be like a kind of swing long thing because all these lows are so ugly. It can just like look at this. Like how does this make sense? I mean, this would be just trend through very quick. I think this is like ugly, very, very ugly. I would long it from sweeping this low or this low. That's my long would be. And this order block actually I drew it, but now looking at it, we have all these vectors here, which you needs to be recovered. So it probably makes more sense to go down here. Yeah, maybe here, even though these are ugly lows. But there's no vectors, so we could just range here. I would probably try along if we get like of accumulation, right? I would definitely try along this, but I don't know. So yeah, but these lows you just can't long them very well. They're very ugly here. So rejecting from value are high on Solana, but I want Solana at 150 before running shorts on it. Like good shorts, I mean, because look at there is a vector right here, right? And this vector needs to be recovered before or move up, even though there's this vector as well, which could work. And I mean, all these vector higher. I think this is a very good level, and probably volume would agree with me. Let's check. No, POC will be right here, but was it correct? Yeah, it was here. But value yellow was look right. We are below value area, and this is a very high volume node right here. So this is a very important level. I would say we could reject here. I'll extend this from November. So the key level when we were right here and we front ran it. So I'll keep it here. So yeah, what do we have else? Think. Yeah, our plan is just to sweep this low, or if we don't, I mean, we can go up here and we long this. And since our trend is to the upside and everything, it probably makes sense to long this. Of course, we will look at how does Bitcoin look, how does Ethereum look, how does everything look before taking these trades. Mm, nice trade. Of course, I took it. I mean, I did it. Whatever. Okay. So in 8 minutes, we will have our brings box trade. If anyone wants to take it, it has 75% win rate of last year, 2025. So, uh, right, this is our brings box. Once we close, like in 8 minutes, there will be a box like this. And once we break this low, right, we can enter here, put your stop loss above the box, and target a 1 to 1, and you make money 75% of time. I checked last year, you would have made 60% using only this strategy. It happens like twice a week. So there's not a lot of trades, but still 60%, right? It's very good. When S&P gives you 10, last year maybe gave you like 15, but whatever. So yeah, I mean, can we long this? Probably no. Yeah, there are these vectors here, which will get recovered either way. So it makes no sense actually to just long down, expecting higher when what are we recovering? Nothing. We just want to hit a level that we front run, but we can't front run this. It doesn't matter. Who cares? So we're probably just gonna take everything today. Yeah, today will be a better day. I think I could be completely wrong, and we just do this, but whatever. So yeah, I mean, I'd say my trade would be like this. I would take this 10 on step time. But now I think there is nothing to take. I mean, if you didn't take this street, then there's nothing to have here. But yeah, okay. I think we understand where we are, that we are at the lows, and we should be expecting for shorts. So this move didn't surprise me at all. Kind of expected it to happen, but I wanted the slow to go. Whatever, it didn't go, but it's okay. So now, in conclusion, we either take a long like this, right, or short like this. Uh, Other way around. This is long, this is short, but it's okay. So yeah, that's probably it for today. I mean, we're very likely to have a red day. Right, this low is important. I think you could actually short it like this. I don't recommend it, but if you're like a swing trader, you can short it because your structure breaks here, right? But I would recommend you wait for a pullback of some kind. Get like a 5 minute structure shift and just ride it from here. You have best risk reward, and you make more money if it works out, and you lose the same actually. So we're looking for a long from here, a short from here. If we come back again for it, I don't think we will, but we'll see. And yeah, probably that's it. All I have. I missed this trade, but it's okay. Like, oh, how many hours would that be even? Like 3 hours, I think now. Yeah, exactly 3 hours. That's okay. So yeah, that's probably it for today. I mean, hopefully someone watching a recording of it and learn how to. At least you maybe learn how to trade Brinks blocks because making 60% in a year is very good. And this strategy on ES uh, of opening range breakout have been profitable since 1900, 20th century. So it's gonna be probably profitable until then. I mean, okay. S&P probably will just keep going until bubble burst, and we go here. That's my idea. That S&P keeps going up, and then we crash very quickly to this low before the next move up. So yeah, that's probably all I have today. Uh, we understand where we are, we understand what trades we are looking to take, and that's it. I recommend joining KCEX exchange. It's the lowest fees ever. You pay literally nothing on market orders using market orders. The fees are only 0.01% on market orders and 0% spot and limit order fees. Withdrawals are free, so put in $100, try it out. You don't like it, you can go back to your exchange you were using before. So yeah, join our Discord if you're not there yet, and that's it.